This is an increase of 0.2 feet. The river forecast for Arkansas City is expected to be 22.9 feet Thursday morning, 23.5 feet Friday morning, 24.1 feet Saturday morning, 24.6 morning, 25.2 feet Monday morning. It's 32.3 feet.
Here it is. Here we go. Here we go. Yes. Here he is. Here it is. Here we go. Here we go.
The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and your receiver's performance are normally
I didn't get it on you though. I don't know why.
service each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order.
I caught it.
This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning Alarm device.
There we go.
Elsewhere across the region at 10 a.m. in Greenville, partly sunny and 48. Monroe, Louisiana, partly sunny and 49.
Oh my gosh, I caught it. Alright. Thanks for watching. Peace out.